How are you all doing? I'm peeking around the corner. There's my buddies at a handshake party. They're all great friends. And that brought up an interesting math question. It's a handshake party where these people went, and I'm peeking around the corner again. And at this party, everyone shook hands with each other person once. That's what the question is here. And there were 66 handshakes. Given that information, how many people at the party? So let's make up a number. I'm going to solve it. Press pause, obviously, if you want to try solve it yourself. Let's pretend there are 8 people. That means 8 people shook hands 7 times. That's 8 times 7 handshakes. But each handshake's divided by 2 because we've counted it twice. When I shook that person's hand, we also included it when we looked at that person's handshakes and included that person shaking me. So for 8 people, it's 8 times 7 divided by 2. For n handshakes, it's n times n minus 1 divided by 2. So n times n minus 1 divided by 2 equals 66 handshakes. And of course, if the question is, here's the number of people, calculate the handshakes, we plug in for n and solve for that. And now we simplify. We multiply each side by 2, gives 132. We multiply out the ends, we bring that 132 to the other side. We have a quadratic equation. And remember the quadratic formula, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. X equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Except in this case, we're using n instead of x. That's plugging into that formula. And so that's the minus 4ac, where the c is minus 132. That simplifies to 1 plus minus root 529 all divided by 2, which simplifies to 1 plus or minus 23 all divided by 2. And of course, we know that n is a positive number, so we're taking the positive value of 1 plus 23 divided by 2, and that simplifies to 12. There were 12 people at the party. That's wonderful, except I was not invited. But next time you have a question like this, you know what to do. Thank you for watching Marta Tutorials.